In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get micro interactions using Figma. Start by opening your design in Figma. We'll build a simple micro interaction using a button as the example. But the same approach works for icons, cards, toggles, and more. Select your element, then turn it into a component. Converting it to a component gives you a single source of truth that's easy to update and reuse. Once it's a component, add variants using the plus icon. Create 3 clear states, a default state, a hover state, and a clicked state. To make the interaction readable, adjust the visual styling between states. Changing the color is a great, subtle way to convey feedback. Even small differences help users understand what's interactive. Next, switch to the Prototype tab to connect these states. From the default variant, drag the blue prototyping line to the hover variant. Set the trigger to while hovering. This ensures the hover effect appears only when the cursor is over the element. For the action, choose Smart Animate. Smart Animate smoothly transitions properties like color, size, or position between your states without extra keyframing. Set the easing to ease in out and pick a duration in the 200 to 300 millisecond range, so the motion feels responsive but not abrupt. As a note, you'll also see an after delay trigger option in Figma that's useful for automatic time-based animations, but for hover we'll stick with while hovering. Now connect the hover state to the clicked state. Drag from the hover variant to the clicked variant and set the trigger to on click. Again, select Smart Animate, use ease in out and keep the timing around 200 to 300 milliseconds for consistency. Finally, connect the click state back to the default state and repeat the same Smart Animate settings. This closes the loop, so the button returns to normal after the click interaction plays. To preview everything, create a frame by pressing F. From the Assets panel, drag an instance of your component onto that frame. Select the frame and click Present to open the prototype. Hover over your button to see the hover animation. Click to see the press state, and watch it transition back to default. If any movement feels too slow or too sharp, adjust the easing or duration in the prototype settings until it feels natural and aligned with your design's tone. That's it. Thanks for watching.